In this video, you'll learn how to change your company name on Indeed. Whether your business has rebranded, merged, or just needs a small name correction, updating it on your Indeed company page helps keep your online presence accurate and professional. I'll walk you through each step, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Let's start by getting to your company page settings. First, sign into your Indeed account that's associated with your company. Once you're logged in, look for the area where you manage your company or employer profile. This is usually labeled something like company page, employer dashboard, or company settings, depending on your view. Your goal here is to reach the page where you can manage information about your company, not just job postings. When you've opened your company page, find the settings or management section for that page. This is where Indeed lets you control things like your company logo, description, location, and of course your company name. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct company if you manage more than one. You want to be absolutely sure that the edits you're about to make apply to the right organization. From inside your company page settings, look for the option that says Edit Company Information or something very similar. This is usually presented as a button or a link, and it's your main gateway to changing any of your core company details. Go ahead and click that. Once you do, you should see a form or an editable page showing your current company information. Now you're ready to update the company name field. Find the line that shows your existing company name. Click into that field, delete or adjust the current name, and type in the new name exactly as you want it to appear publicly on Indeed. This is a good time to double check capitalization, spacing, and spelling. Make sure it matches how your name appears on your website and other official materials, so your brand is consistent across platforms. If your new name is part of a full rebrand, you might also want to quickly scan the rest of the editable fields on this page, like your company description or website, to see if anything else needs to be updated to match your new identity. You don't have to change those right now, but it can save you time later if you handle them at once. Once you're confident the company name is entered correctly, scroll to the bottom or look for a Save or Submit button. Click to save your changes. In many cases, the update won't appear instantly on your public company page, and that's normal. Indeed may review and approve the change before it goes live, especially if it looks like a completely different company name. This review helps prevent misuse and makes sure employer information stays accurate. After saving, keep an eye on your email inbox or your Indeed dashboard for any notifications about the status of the change. It may take a little time, so don't worry if you don't see the new name right away. Once the update is approved, visit your company page as a regular user would and confirm that the new name appears correctly. And that's it. You've updated your company name on Indeed by going into your company page settings, editing your company information, changing the name field, and saving the changes for approval.